Hey everybody, it's Dale Marsh here, lead buyer specialist with the Santa Sells Houses team, and I'm joined today by
Eric Gagne, our insurance guy representing Town and Country Mutual Insurance, and I am here to answer all
insurance inquiries. Welcome back to another episode of our insurance inquiries. So today's question for Eric is, are there high-risk zones for home insurance?
You know, there are certain coverages that are definitely high risk. In particular, if you look at flood insurance, so depending where you live across Canada, you could be more prone to having damage to your home caused by a flood.
Right.
In London in particular, there are high risk flood zones in this city because of the Thames River, where a lot of homes are located.
Fanshawe Dam.
Fanshawe Dam is another one. So insurance companies now can actually go by latitude, longitude on your property and postal code rating to determine whether or not you live in an area that will be prone to flood damage.
Right.
So we see the issue outside of London as well too, anywhere along the Thames, like Delaware. So there are high risk areas for certain coverages for sure.
So as a homeowner, if you're in one of those zones, would you be expecting to pay a higher rate, or are those rates kind of blanketed across a larger area?
Yeah, and I know our company in particular, if you're in a high-risk zone, we're probably not offering that coverage of flood coverage.
Okay.
We tend to want to stick with the low to medium risk kind of range.
Yep.
But there are insurance companies out there that are charging a lot of money for flood insurance. Even if you're medium and low risk, it's amazing what the premiums are for flood coverage when you feel like you're not even in a flood zone.
Right.
But I think a lot of those insurance companies tend to spread that premium across everybody, let's say in a province or in Canada,
sure,
amongst everyone. Whereas really that's not really indicative of your home,
right,
and what the premium should be for your home. But unfortunately, how insurance works is the losses of the few are paid by the many.
Right. Thanks for joining us today.